Listen, my mom used to make this baked oatmeal. She used to make it with blueberries, and then she also made one with cranberries and apples. It was delicious. I don't remember how she made it. She hasn't made it in probably 10 years, but I was craving it earlier, so let's make it. This is going to be relatively healthy, but it's also going to taste good. So, I'm going to start out with just 2 tablespoons of brown sugar because you got to add something. You know, you got to have a little bit of fun. So we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons. And I actually switched over to the dark brown sugar. It's just got a little bit more of a molasses-like taste, you know. So, tablespoon of that. I don't have a recipe for this. The only reason why I'm actually measuring is that way y'all can make it at home too, if it comes good. If it doesn't come good, then I'm not going to post this. So if you're watching this, that means that it's good. And get your pen and paper ready. All right, we're going to do 2 eggs. Oh! Okay. Oh, I just got egg up my arm. Oh boy. Gonna stir together my brown sugar and my eggs. I'm going in with a cup of whole milk. You know, I don't have vanilla extract, so I'm gonna be using some of this vanilla paste. Optional. I'm gonna add in a little bit of this just for fun, you know? Come on, get off the spoon. Come on, get off the spoon. Good dash of cinnamon. All right, I'm thinking 2 cups of oats, and I'm using instant oats. I don't like old-fashioned oats, unless I'm making cookies, but to be honest, I just use the quick oats for everything. I think that was 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's hope that this ratio is good. That looks like it could work. Maybe not. Add an extra egg. All right, so we're gonna do 3 eggs. Oh, I got bacon in there. Who just farted? Was that you or Grayson?
Grayson.
Are you lying? I don't know, that kind of sounded loud. What? Was that Grayson or was it you?
Grayson.
Don't lie. Carl. No, that was you burping.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, well, that was your burp, but who farted?
Grayson.
Adding in 1 Cosmic Crisp apple. A little sprinkle. Some dried cranberries. My doctor told me that I need to incorporate some more fiber into my diet, so I have some flaxseed meal here. I'm not sure how much of this I should be using. I feel like a tablespoon is safe, you know, not overdoing it, just how much a serving. 2 tablespoons is a serving. And how much fiber? Only 3 grams. That's only a gram. That's only a gram and a half. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons actually. That's a serving. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of this. You know, just a little added something. Pretend like my house looks like a Rachel Ray studio, okay? Another 1/3 of a cup of milk. Just I'm gonna have the recipe at the end. It's trial and error. Trial and error. Okay, to my buttered baking dish. I use Kerrygold butter too, so you know it's good. Gonna do another tablespoon of brown sugar. So now we're at 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon into this, and we're gonna kind of make it like a cute little topping. You know what I mean? All right. Just got like a fork. I don't want to dirty anything else right now. You know, just a little something, a little added pizzazz. Okay. A little razzle dazzle, as a friend of mine would say. Into the oven at 350. I don't know how long this is gonna cook for. I'll let y'all know. I'm going to the gym to go and work out for the first time in like 2 months, so. This baked for 25 minutes at 350. To store it, just portion it out and then put it in the fridge. In the rare event that y'all want to try this, I will leave the ingredients up on screen. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.